Alright, so what I'm gonna do today or this morning is I like to try to harvest in the morning times. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna harvest some of these bell peppers and eggplants, see what we get, and I'll let you watch while I do that. Of course, kind of see how I told you, to me the outside garden area, which is just these 2 rows, have done way better as far as in look than the high tunnel, especially on the peppers per se. The tomatoes, I don't even have any tomatoes out here, but for the peppers outside are doing way more. So I don't know if it's because of the shade cloth or it's because of the high tunnel, it doesn't get that direct sun. I really don't know, or maybe it's because in the high tunnel it doesn't rain, and out here they're getting some good rainwater. In the high tunnel it's just hose pipe water, or sometimes I bring in a little of the rainwater. But let's get to the video in 1 second. So that's off of 2 plants. I'm gonna bring you a little closer to the other peppers. Like the song says, get on down the road. Don't you carry nothing that might be a load. Come on, get on down the road. Now, what I'll show you is, when you never grown certain things before, like this, I've never grown this before, and this is supposed to be, it's called the giant, I'll be saying macaroni, but it's Marconi. So it's giant Marconi. The one that I got the tag by is the one that's dying. Now on the paper, it has like there's supposed to be some red, some green, like you can harvest it at any stage. So I wanted to try to let them go to the red stage, but I'm seeing at the red stage, and these are nice, you can see them. At the red stage, I'm gonna show you, seems to me at least, but these are gonna be nice, sweet peppers, frozen up. I'm gonna chop these and freeze them, give me some seeds. Hopefully this is not hybrid, I don't know, but hopefully I can regrow from the seed. But I'll show you. And maybe it's just this plant that's not doing well, but you can see right here as they start to turn red, they're not staying like this. They're actually starting to show signs of disease. But we're moving down. Let's go. Looking over there. Not seeing, I had one okra yesterday, But I'm just starting to see a lot of okra flowers, little small pods. In a few days, they'll probably be ready to pick. I think okra are some of the best vegetables you can eat while they're fresh. These things are crazy big. Look at that, that's beautiful. Giant Marconi. And I figured I wanted to get out here this morning and harvest these, more so because to give the plant some relief from holding all this fruit, and then it can focus on itself a little bit. Only one that's a good size here. Probably two. I know I always say it, but probably two. I'll try to fertilize. I probably won't do it, but hopefully I can try to fertilize a little bit today. So this is what we've gotten so far. Gonna ease on down the road. Ease on down the road. Don't you carry nothing that might be a load. Come on, ease on down the road. Wow. This is the beautiful eggplant. This is called fairy tale eggplant. I did do a video on this. I didn't release it. Probably I will release it. Today I'm gonna have to come out here and spray these. I'm seeing aphids. Yeah, seeing a lot of bugs. But these are fairy tale eggplants. If you can see that, let me see how beautiful I can make it look. You see the little, it's like a white and pearlish color. I should have put these in a different thing, but I'm gonna wash everything anyway. A lot of bugs. These are overdue. These really need, if I don't get them, the plant surely, I mean, look at this. This thing had a whole, had like a little grape bunch. So that's nice. But that's kind of how they grow too. You take the whole bunch off. So we'll see. This is one of Beverly's favorite eggplants, fairy tale eggplant, because they're small and she loves to like stir fry. And I just like to eat. I'm sweating. I told her I have to harvest these. Gotta get them off. But that's just one plant, if you can see that. I think I got 8 of these. I bought these just for her. Still flowering. And these don't have those stickers on the top of them. I thought last year they had those stickers on them. Usually I don't like to mess with these too early, because there's a bee that's always over here early in the morning. Make sure I'm still in focus. And I'm sure this one is gonna have some seeds in it. I'm gonna save y'all to watching me just pick all of those. That's kind of too many of them. But this is a real prolific. I got a video I'm gonna release on just this eggplant. I didn't like the video, that's why I didn't release it, because it was so dragging to me. But I'm still gonna release it because maybe somebody wants to see this plant more up close. Some of the other things, this my squash, the vine borer got them. Only have, look like one still around. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna get those out of there. So, love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So let me grab these. These Bev's makes pancakes out of. So the vine has died. It's dead. You can actually plant something else there. Something that maybe not now with the heat. Look like something's ate on that one. If not anything, I can still harvest the seeds out of these. Maybe not out of these small ones, probably boil them. Give them to the chickens. And I know I can get the seeds out of this one. And I'll be ready. I might can plant some more. I have to look at the planting guide. May be able to plant some more. I love these squash. I think they're called, I call them pancake squash because that's what she makes the pancakes out of them. But I think they're called butternut squash. The actual name for them. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So this is actually early butternut squash. You can see the sweat on me, my goodness. So I tried to get out here early to keep from sweating, and the sun was behind the clouds, but as soon as I started the video, they came out. Look at this though. Look at that. Y'all see what that is? Can you? Let me see. Let me get under here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I gotta put this here so I can see it. There it goes. That's my baby. Perfect, perfect eating size. So thank y'all for watching. Perfect eating size. Thank you for watching Louisiana Gardening Family. It's hot. I'm sweating too much. Okra starting to come in. Eggplants, y'all see what that little eggplant does, and it got a good taste to it. It's an okay eggplant. I don't like the Black Beauty as much as I like the Pentoon Long and the Fairy Tale one. So grow you some food, young, old, experienced, inexperienced. Just grow some food anyway. All right. So thank y'all for watching Louisiana Gardening Family, and as always, grow, grow, grow. Peace.